Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to manage the Hotspot option on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap the gear icon to open up your settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your device. Once you're in settings, look for and tap on Network and Internet. This section contains all your connectivity settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and hotspot features. Next, tap on Hotspot and Tethering. This is where all your sharing options are located, allowing you to share your phone's internet connection with other devices. From here, tap on Wi-Fi Hotspot to access the main hotspot management screen. Now, the first thing you'll see is Use Wi-Fi Hotspot with a toggle button right beside it. Simply tap this toggle to turn your Wi-Fi hotspot on or off. When it's on, other devices can connect to your phone's internet. This is the main control for your entire hotspot feature. Below that, you'll see Hotspot Name. Tap on it if you want to change what your hotspot is called when other devices search for it. This is useful for making your hotspot easy to identify, especially if you're in a crowded area with many networks. Next up is the security option. Tap on it and you'll be able to choose between WPA2 Personal or None. WPA2 Personal keeps your hotspot password protected, while selecting None means anyone can connect without entering a password. For security reasons, it's recommended to keep WPA2 Personal enabled. After that, tap on Hotspot Password to view or change your current password. This is important if you want to update your security or share a new password with trusted devices. Make sure to choose something strong yet memorable. Moving down, you'll see Turn Off Automatically when no devices are connected with a toggle button beside it. Enable this if you want your hotspot to automatically shut down when nobody's using it, which helps save battery life. Disable it if you want the hotspot to stay on continuously. You'll also notice Extend Compatibility helps other devices find this hotspot, reduce hotspot connection speed, also with a toggle button beside it. Turning this on makes your hotspot more visible to older devices, though it might slightly reduce your connection speed. It's a trade-off between compatibility and performance. Finally, you can see Instant Hotspot. Tap on it if you want to turn this feature on, which allows compatible devices to connect to your hotspot more quickly. And that's it. You've now learned how to fully manage and customize the hotspot settings on your Google Pixel 8 Pro. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.